In this demo, we'll see how we can transfer material assignments from Creo to ANSYS Workbench for use in simulation. Within Creo, you can launch the embedded MI Materials Gateway. We have the gateway opened in a favorites view. You can also search for a material if we know the material properties which we are looking for. For example, if we are looking for a stiff lightweight material, we can sort based on any attribute by clicking its column heading. We'll select one of the aluminium alloy as an example. You can locate it in the browse tree. You can open its datasheet to verify its properties before selecting it. You can check not only its mechanical, thermal properties, which are relevant for simulation, but also recycling parameters relevant for sustainability. You can add a material to your favorites list, so that you can access them directly when you open the gateway next time. You can instantly assign a material from your favorites list. Assigned material properties are completely traceable to their source within Granta MI. You can then close the gateway and launch ANSYS Workbench from Creo. The geometry and material assignments will be brought through into ANSYS Workbench. After connecting the geometry to an analysis system, you can open ANSYS Mechanical to see the geometry and material assignments. In the material assignment section of the housing part, we'll find the details of the aluminium material assigned in Creo Gateway. Launching the MI Materials Gateway from Workbench, you can see the imported materials. Clicking on the magic wand will assign simulation properties from the default simulation record. If you require a different simulation record or material model, like what showed here, the simulation data can be changed from within the MI Materials Gateway. Or you can just browse and search the simulation record, then switch to the model needed. Now you can see the material models imported from different tables. All imported material properties will be found in the engineering data of the ANSYS Workbench project. With Granta MI Materials Gateway, you can ensure approved material data are used in your product design and simulation workflow.